So I've just gotten myself ready for the day, and now heading to pick up Mira and the baby. And again, it's such a pretty day. Feeling okay. Had my morning coffee and put my makeup on. It always cheers me up when I get my makeup done. Just came back from work. I was working for my accountant because they have a busy season right now, so I was kind of helping out. I usually go there by car, but today I walked because I had a really hard time waking up this morning, so I needed the fresh air to wake up. And yeah, it's like 4:10 approximately right now, and I'm gonna make me some dinner. I'm gonna make some soup, and I don't even remember what I need to do next. We'll see. It's been a eventful few days. As I told you, Mira and the baby were at my house for sleepover, and we had the nicest time. We didn't do really anything, we just watched movies and spent some home quality time. I just had my soup and I've just been chilling for a while, reading emails and watching YouTube and stuff. I'm gonna go see my mom. I might not have even told you this, but the reason why I was at my mom's for the past 2 weeks or something is because she was in her Spain apartment. I was kind of looking after the house here. So now yesterday she came back and I'm gonna go see her and have a little chat with her. And yeah, it's been a crazy couple of days, seriously. I haven't slept very well because the baby, as you might know, doesn't sleep through the whole night without waking up. So I slept like half an hour and then woke up, slept for half an hour and then woke up again, and the whole night went like that. And so yesterday when I got home at around 9 o'clock, I was so tired that I just fell on my bed and fell asleep. And I had a 7 a.m. wake up today because I needed to go to work. I've been going all day, and now now is the first time I actually got to breathe and just relax for a while. It's been good to keep myself busy. Otherwise I would be just crawling in my own misery here. So yeah, I'm heading off to my mom's now, and I'll see you later. So I just left my mom's. It was so nice to catch up with her. Then we went to sauna and had some tea and just talked about everything. I had to tell her what has happened over these past few weeks, so it took us about 2 hours to do that. It was so nice to see her. And the dog, I missed her. She's getting actually quite old. She's I think 8 years old. Now I'm at a pit stop. Actually, this place is a popular beach in the summertime. And I would show you this, but you probably can't see anything because it's pitch black. There's the main road, and here is the beach. As I told you, it's pitch black and you cannot see anything. Yeah. I stop by this place quite often because it's just such a beautiful place. There's a lake there, and it's 25 kilometers away from the town, so there's really no city lights here. So right now you can see the stars quite clearly, and the sunsets here are amazing, and it's a pretty place. To round up this week, it's been crazy. So many things have happened, business-wise mainly. I don't know. I haven't had a free day, like day off, in a while. So I don't even know what I'm talking about. I was thinking about going for a hike, a longer hike, this week with a friend of mine. But I have this jacket. This is meant for a weather like this. But I have no trousers. There are trousers that are a part of this. They're like a two-piece outfit. But today I tried them on and literally they fell off, which is a good thing, but not such a good thing thinking about my hike. I'm gonna have to go and buy some pants, I don't know what they are, and shoes, because I don't really have any shoes that I can hike in. I have sneakers, but they're like meant for running and they won't hold any water, so I need hiking boots. Yesterday when Mira and the baby left, I felt so empty. I was alone at home and I was thinking like, what am I gonna do with my life? You know, those moments when you're just wallowing in your own misery. So I called Mira and told her that I will be coming there tomorrow and spending the day with them. So I have an early morning tomorrow. I have to leave at about 8 o'clock, so that I will have approximately 5 hours to spend with them. Now I'm gonna head off to a shop or a petrol station, whatever's open. I'm craving for some Pepsi Max again. Surprise, surprise. get back home, and I should be going to sleep right now because I have an early morning tomorrow, but I'm not tired. I went and bought me some Pepsi Max, so I'm gonna enjoy that and watch maybe a movie and hope that I fall asleep in the middle of it. I don't know. Yeah, this week has been like an eye opener in a way. Lately, I've been feeling like, maybe I've lost myself. Like, I don't even know who I am anymore. But this week, I consciously have done things that I really want to do and haven't listened to other people in that way that someone should tell me what I should do. I'm pretty much just taking control of my own life this week. And it's been great so far, but every now and then I get this little feeling of sadness. I feel like I'm always alone. Like I'm not looking for a relationship or anything, but I need to get my life the way that I feel comfortable in. It's very hard to explain. Like I need to sort my life out pretty much so that I would feel comfortable being alone. And this is kind of embarrassing to even say, but I often lean on other people too much. I should make me the main focus of my life, so that I would, in a moment of crisis, I would lean on myself, that I would feel comfortable in my own skin, so that I would feel comfortable just being on my own. A few years back, I used to have quite many panic attacks. Usually they came in a moment when I was alone at home, and I got this thought in my head that what if I die here and nobody finds me? And then it just like kept going to the point where I was thinking that nobody cares about me and blah blah blah, and then the panic attack would hit. I haven't had those panic attacks for a couple of years until like a month or two ago. I had one. It wasn't a bad one, but it was bad enough that it reminded me that now I need to do something with my life. I'm not feeling good right now with everything that's happening. I've done some digging of my soul, the inner me, and I'm on my way to a better me. Yeah. Oh, this has gone so deep. But those are the things that I've been thinking about this week. I'm really hoping that the business things that are happening right now would so I hope we would seal the deals basically, so that I could tell you all about it, but right now I can't pretty much say anything about them yet. The minute I can, I will.